How to install LED strip lights. We have the kit here, the plug, the wire to the LED lights with the receiver, the LED lights, and the remote. The first thing we need to do is prepare the surface, get a cloth and clear off any dust or debris. I'm just going to disconnect the wiring from the LED lights just to make things a bit easier. Start at a corner which is near a plug. Make sure the wire can get all the way where you want to start the LED lights. Okay, just free this off. As you can see, it's got an adhesive back, and you can just peel this backing off. So what you want to do is do this in sections so you don't get the adhesive all dirty. Okay, let's get started. Flush with the top of the wall, keep doing in sections, and keep exposing the adhesive as you go. Every so often, go over the LED strip light to make sure it's firmly attached to the wall. Make sure you get tight into the corners. When you've completed where you want the LED lights, you'll need to cut off the excess. There will be certain sections where you can cut with scissors. In this case, marked by this line. Loop round to make the end look tidy. Then, connect the wiring to the LED lights and connect the wiring to the plug. Then, you can plug into the outlet. Finally, you can use the remote to change the settings. Just make sure the remote is facing the receivers. And you're done, and this is the final result.